My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I'm really going to ask you to help me out with your comments down below, your likes. I need some information. I need some interaction from you. This bag, yes, I actually got it in a bag this month, but this is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. For those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave the information down below so that you can check it out for yourself. There is also a link down below. If you decide you want to try, go ahead, click on my link. It'll send you right there, okay? Now, the reason I'm asking for your assistance is this was new this month, okay? A couple weeks ago, I got an email and they asked me if I would like to customize my bag. I'm like, what? So before you get to choose one, this time I got to choose 3 items, one of which I chose for one of you out there, okay? And the reason is because IPSY is changing things up. In addition to that, they also let me know that the bag has changed. So you see why I'm asking you, let me know how you feel. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know, this I'm not feeling. This isn't working for me now, okay? So let's just jump in so you can see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. Okay. Ooh. I pretty much know the items that I chose, but not the items that they chose for me. Okay. So this is the new IPSY Glam Bag Plus bag for me. Okay, usually I would show you the bag at the end. Well, I have to show it to you at the beginning because this is where my products are. Okay, so we're going to open up this new drawstring bag. Okay, which actually is a pretty decent size, by the way. Okay, and it is cloth. The letters are raised, glittered, and pretty decent. You know, nice size. So let's go ahead and check and see what's in the bag. All right. Maybe they'll even include a description card again. I'm not gonna hold my breath about it, but okay, there's a card. Okay, this one says, August 2020, the future is yours. Look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow. From achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. The future's in your hands with a Glam Bag Plus that is even more personalized by you, and it looks epic. Okay. No, this is not this is not a description card, okay? But it does give you information about, you know, what I just told you with regards to building our own IPSY Glam Bag Plus, okay? So it says, now thanks to ultra personalization, you can build your perfect bag on the 1st of every month. Don't miss out on these amazing features. It says IPSY picks 2 personalized items, and then you choose 3 of your 5 full-size favorites and add on up to 8 additional products. Okay. All right, so let's see. So the first item I have is, okay, a 111 skin product, okay? Now this one was chosen for me by IPSY. And since there is no description card, I have to log on and let you know that way. Okay, so, oh my God, this packaging is gorgeous. What I have is the Cairo ATP Sports Booster. Okay, and this one is a 0.68 fluid ounce size, and it says, see how pretty that is? That is a gorgeous package. Okay, so the website says the ultimate secret weapon for days when your skin is looking tired and meh. Okay, this energizing serum booster. All right, forget coffee. This highly concentrated formula revs up your skin cells and encourages the flow of oxygen to make your complexion look instantly more wide awake and glowy. Okay. Then it says rough texture, dullness, and large pores. Yarrow extract helps fix them all. Okay. And then it says it's perfect skin treatment for after a sweat sesh. A few drops will prolong that fresh and flushed post-workout glow. Now the manufacturer suggested retail price on this product, y'all, $135. Yes, I'm opening this right now. Okay, now y'all already know I put the other product on there, so we're gonna work on this hand. Just going to put a little bit on. I guess I should have showed you what my hand looked like before I put this on. It smells very medicinal, y'all. Very, very medicinal. But okay. Let's see. All right. Well, that is item number one. Interesting. And the next item that I have that was chosen by IPSY for me is by Huda Beauty, and it is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. Okay, and the shade I have is Revolutionary. Okay, this packaging is very nice. All right, and let's check and see what it is that IPSY has to say. You need proof that you don't need to sacrifice comfort for payoff when it comes to your lip color. This liquid lipstick from makeup mogul Huda Katan. The deep brown shade lasts on lips from coffee to cocktail. Trust us, they tested it, okay? Without getting patchy or feathering. Just because this creamy lipstick dries down matte doesn't mean it's drying. Water-rich formula offers up intense hydration, so your lips never feel chapped or uncomfortable. It's infused with a hint of menthol to give your lips a temporary tingling effect, leaving them visibly plumper. Don't really need that part, but okay. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. So let's just swatch this shade. I only have one other lipstick by Huda, and it is a magnificent red. Of course, the inside packaging, okay. Oh, that's a pretty shade. I almost want to put it over top of what I have. Okay, look at that. Alrighty, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that is item number 2. Those 2 were chosen, as I said, by IPSY. Now we're going to get into the products that I chose. The very first one I chose this product with you in mind. And there's a reason why, but we're going to go in and check the description information for it. But that product is by Thrive Cosmetics. I know, but it really is cosmetics, okay? And this one is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, okay? And this is what that packaging looks like. The packaging itself is beautiful as well. But it says, here it is, IPSY's Holy Grail Mascara. This curling and lengthening mascara formula does exactly what it says. A single swipe made our skimpy lashes look like extensions. I'm here to tell you that is a true statement. An innovative cone-shaped wand adds definition to separating lashes to help prevent clumping. The formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex, a formula that helps stimulate lash growth and soft fibers to give your lashes dramatic length and lift. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $24, and it's worth every single dime. Every single dime. Now, I have this because I don't wear lashes. I might try the magnetic ones, but I don't wear lashes, and things keep popping up. So I know that very soon I'm going to have to create a video so that you understand why I don't wear them, okay? But this product is absolutely amazing. If I had not have done my eyes already, I would show you what they look like side by side, one with and one without. This stuff is amazing. It really does exactly what it says. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, okay? This is mine. Okay, the inside packaging is gorgeous. This is what the wand itself looks like. Okay. And I promise you, it does just what it says. I don't have a problem spending the money to get another one. Love, 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 love it. Okay, so that is item number 4. So then the next item that I chose is by Illamasqua. Okay, and this one is the Loaded Lip Polish in Glaze. Okay, and it says this isn't your average lip gloss. The ultra shiny formula gives lips mirror-like shine in a single swipe. Nourishing babassu and jojoba oils condition your lips for supreme softness and zero flakes. There's nothing gooey or sticky about this gloss. The comfortable formula feels silky smooth on the lips. This versatile formula can be worn alone for a quick hint of shine or layered over your favorite lip color for a bold look. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $25. Now, Sidekick usually puts the snatch on any lip gloss that I get. However, she's not getting this one, so let's just take a look. Okay, I didn't put a whole lot on, just a little. Oh, but it feels nice, and it looks nice. That was the reason why I chose this one. It kind of looks like it's an adult lip gloss, okay? So that one is item number 4. And the final item, this one I chose, of course. Like I really need another eyeshadow palette, right? And also the last item in the bag. I don't own anything by this company at all. I've never heard of them. This is Venus Fling by Bailey Saran and Estate. Their packaging is beautiful. IPSY's website says, the eyeshadow palette to end all eyeshadow palettes. Okay, that is a bold claim. This expertly curated 9-shade collection screams summer. Talk about versatile with shades ranging from bright coral to shimmery purple and warm brown to metallic gold. This palette is perfect for creating a low-key vibe for day or a spicy look for night out. You don't have to be a pro to apply these shadows with ease. Both the mattes and shimmer shades have a creamy texture that's super blendable and buildable. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $30. Oh wow, and these are some big pans. Well, it does come with the mirror, okay? And here are the shades. Nice. Okay, what do we want to swatch? Well, let's swatch a matte, a dark, and a bold. Look at that. Okay. All right, here's a test. I'm going to add one more to it. They have a purple in here. Okay, here they are. Okay, now let's see what they look like on the skin. Okay. Let's see. Maybe it's the way my fingers work, but that orange came out a little patchy. So, what do you think? Okay, well, I know how I feel about being able to choose what I wanted. Now, I do like it. I definitely do like it, okay? I love everything that I chose. I love the items that were chosen for me, okay? And so, I thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I do ask you once again, please leave me a comment down below. Make sure you like this video if you're choosing to leave a comment. And let me know what you think about being able to choose our own, as well as allowing IPSY to choose for us. If this is something you would like to see, you know, or something that you would go for, okay, just let me know what your thoughts are, even if you like the bag, okay, the new bag that's coming with the Glam Bag Plus. Now, these are the items that were included in this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And of course, down below, we will leave the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything included. Now, remember to take a look at this video right here that is with regards to our current giveaway that's going on. If you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe if you want to take part in this giveaway. Now, as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.